How to enable auto captions on your videos. How to enable auto captions on your videos. So today I want to do a mini tutorial. Some of my community members needed to know how I was able to turn on auto captions on my videos. That is where what you're saying is also appearing on the screen. So today I'm going to do that. It's very easy. All what we need here is our Capcut, and Capcut is free. So we will need Capcut, and we'll also need your data, because if you don't have data, the auto caption will not be able to display. All right, let's go into the tutorial. I have CapCut already on my phone, so this is my menu. I'll press the CapCut, it will open up, and like this, you press on the new project like that. It will open up your gallery. You pick any of the videos you want to work on. So yes, I'll scroll over and just pick one of my videos. I picked that one there. Yes, it will add up to the CapCut interface like this. You see, this is the video. I've already edited this video. I've worked on the sound, I've worked on the display and everything. So the only thing I want to do here is to work on the auto caption. So you press on text, you press on T, there is a place and that text there, down the menu. So when you press on text, it take you here where you say auto caption. You press the auto caption and you press start. It's generating now. You will wait for it to generate the auto captions for that video. Okay, so it might take few minutes or few seconds depending on the length of the video, but you just have to wait. It won't take much time. One beautiful thing about this is that it will also identify filler words, that is where you stammered and made some mistakes, so you have the option of deleting those clips and all of that. So now mine is ready. As you can see, I don't have anything to delete. Everything I said were correct and they were just generated as it is. But at this point, if you look at what is being done here, you see the text appear very tiny. Someone will not be able to see, and for some of the sentences that were much longer than the screen, you see, discover that some of them will be hidden. Nobody will be able to read. So right now I'll click on those clips and see how we can break them into smaller. You see what I'm doing now? You click on the text like that. So I'm using this my enter key to break it into small, how will I even put it, into different lines. Okay, then you increase the font like that. You have the opportunity, you also have the opportunity to position it as you want. Okay, you see that now it is very clear. Someone can see. You can see that. So you do that for all your clips. And here too, you can also have the option of changing the font style. See, we have font there. Choose any of the styles that will fit whatever you're trying to see, but I'll prefer a style that makes it easier for someone to read. Sorry, I'm stammering. Okay, so you can also have opportunity to also pick the colors. You can see, so you pick different colors that you want, but again, pick something that will be easy for your readers to read. You see, don't pick a style that, or a color that conflicts with the background of the video. So I'm okay with this. Now we are done with the color grading, we are done with that. So here too, you also have opportunity to work on the effects. You see, we have different effects for your text, different act effects. You can also put that if you want, but for me, I don't think I need it for this. I need my text to be very simple and clear so that people can read. So I press none. So okay, and even that, you have the opportunity to put your text into a text bubble like this to make it look as if you are having a conversation, as you can see. So I really appreciate all these features, and to think that all these features are free is mind-blowing. So there is no excuse at all. So you can also have the opportunity to make your text animated. That is where what you're saying is appearing on the screen as though you are typing it, and you see that it's appearing that way. So if you need that, you click on the animation. You also have the opportunity to set it as
display how you want it. See that? Yeah, see it's appearing like that on my screen. You can fix that for all the clips, or you can also fix it for either the beginning, where the title of the video will just come out as though you are typing it as it is right now. Okay, so but if you want it to appear like that for all the clips, you can as well add it like that. So at this point, I'm still working on some of the text that appear longer. And one thing you need to notice that if you edit one of the clips, either you increase the font size, it is applicable to all the clips. So you discover that at a point, some of the clips will appear longer than the screen, so you still need to go back and shorten them, cut them into shorter lines. Okay, you just shorten them so that it will fit into the screen. I want to believe that you understand what I'm trying to say. You see that? And then also, if you don't want to do it like that, you can check down this down the down menu here. You will see where it is written batch edit. Okay, when you click on you will see batch edit. If you also use that batch edit, that one will make it easier too, because the batch edit will cut them into different clips of different videos. See, that one is that like that. So at this point, I'm almost done with all the editing. So I just need to go over and make sure that all the clips are properly edited. If there is any word that was not properly spelled, you can spell it then, because sometimes you might say something like buy. The auto caption might write BYE for you when you intended BUI. So at that point, you correct the spelling. And when you're done, you click you click save to export it like this. See, it's exporting. You wait for it to export. Now, the exporting is also another way of saving it. That's the way of saving it into your main gallery. So we will wait for it to export. Allow the screen to be open like that. Don't worry, we'll soon be there. That's 67. Okay. We have a few more to go. Dun, 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 dun. Have you subscribed? Subscribe and follow for more tutorials like this. Okay, let's grow together. All right, so we are at 97, 98, 99, and 100. So it's ready to be shared. So I'll just click on done. I'll click on done. Okay, and then I'll go over to my main gallery. Okay, let's go to the gallery now and be sure it is well edited. See that's the finished work. See how beautiful. You see that? So our work is ready. It's very simple. I'm sure you can do this. So follow for more beautiful tutorials like this. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Let's keep pushing because we can do this. Bye.